I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make it sit. So, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. What's up, ladies and gents? How you guys doing today? I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers, those that genuinely support me and watch my videos. You guys are very much appreciated, okay? Very much appreciated. So, first, I'm going to get out the way because I've noticed people in the comments asking me to sub back to their channel. I just want you to know that the sub for sub does not work. YouTube has caught on to that trend. So I no longer do that anymore. If you want to genuinely support me, hit that subscribe button. And just genuinely support and watch. So today I'm about to be taking my hair down. I'm gonna use this black Jamaican castor oil. Yeah, I'm using that. And today I'm just gonna talk about things that I no longer do to my natural hair. Things I used to do. I'm just going off the dome. I'm gonna come up with at least 7 things that I don't do anymore, or maybe 5. However many I can think of. But the one thing I don't do to my natural hair anymore, I don't put my hair in tight ponytails anymore, unless it's flat ironed. I don't really like to put all that stress and tension on my edges. So I like to have like loose styles. I try not to do tight styles in my hair. So that's the one thing I don't do anymore. Number 2, I don't wash my hair and not detangle it afterwards. Because let me tell you, before I knew about how to deal with my natural hair, before I got my real texture, because I used to have heat damaged hair, like I let my heat damage grow all the way out, but I wasn't aware that I had to detangle my hair, which is crazy. Like, that's common sense. You're supposed to detangle your hair after you wash it. It's like, I would just get a conditioner in, I would slick it back, and then it'll just be in a ponytail, and then that's it. And it would be like that for a few days. And then I pay for it later. Because the next time I go to wash my hair, it be tangled up. Like, girl, what is you doing? Like, what is you doing? My lips is real dry right now. So, I'm trying to talk and my lips dry and it don't feel comfortable. I need some chapstick. But yeah, so that was number 2. Number 3 is when I do wash my hair, I no longer wash my hair going up. I don't clump my hair together and wash it, because after a while I realized that does not work. It does nothing but tangle my hair up more than it already is. So I no longer do that. I wash my hair in a different way now than I used to. So that's number 3. Number 4, the 4th thing that I no longer do to my natural hair, I don't use a paddle brush on my natural hair. I don't try to paddle brush my natural hair. The paddle brush just really caused a lot of breakage on my hair, so I no longer use it. I use a different brush. I'm going to do a review on a new brush that I just bought that I think will work for you guys too, whoever has thick hair, no matter how long it is. If it's thick, I feel like this brush will really work. I'm not going to say what brush it is yet because I would like to do a review on it. So, just wait for that video. Stay tuned. subscribe. But yeah. So that was number 4. I don't use a paddle brush anymore. Number 5, the 5th thing that I don't do to my natural hair, or something I just don't do to my hair in general. I don't use hair grease. I don't grease my scalp with hair grease. I used to be the hair greaser, okay? You know us black women. We got our hair grease, the Blue Magic. The Blue Magic, that's what I used to use. The pink, and all that. You know, we had to have our Blue Magic. It came in like the blue bottle, the green bottle. They be like, hey. Girl, go get the grease. I'm about to braid her hair right quick. Let me go get the grease. I don't use that anymore. It actually dried my hair out a lot when I use grease, so I stopped using it. It might work for some of you, you know, whatever works for your hair works for you, but the grease does not work for me anymore. What else? So that was number 5. The 6th thing that I no longer do to my natural hair, let's see here. I don't pineapple my hair anymore. You know, like the famous pineapple, you sleep like that at night. I don't sleep with my hair in a pineapple anymore because it actually caused my hair to be very matted, because I'm sleeping on it and it's like stuck in this one position and just like, so no, I don't do that no more. We don't do no pineapples over here. And honestly, my hair has gotten too long to do a pineapple. A pineapple might work for somebody's hair that's maybe a little shorter than my hair is. But I don't do pineapples anymore. So that was number 5, I think. I'd be losing count. So number 6, my nose itch. The 6th thing that I no longer do to my natural hair. What don't I do? I gotta think right quick. Hold on one second. Let me think about this. Right quick. I don't. Oh, dang it. I'm really trying to think here, guys. But anyway, while I think, how's you guys doing today? How y'all doing today? Tell me how your day went today in the comment section. Let me know that you watched up to this point. Yeah. My nose is really itching. So, the 6th thing that I don't do with my natural hair. What don't I do? It's a lot of stuff I don't do anymore. I'm hungry. That was my stomach. I used to use Cantu. I no longer use Cantu at all. I also no longer use like Shea Moisture or like OGX, you know, all the popular natural hair products. I stopped using those because they irritate my scalp eventually. They just didn't do well with my scalp because I have issues with like itchiness and dryness. So they just didn't do well. And they kind of dried my hair out after a while because I feel like my hair just got used to it. So I no longer use like unnatural shampoos or shampoos they say are natural but aren't, or just in general non-natural hair products. So that's the 6th thing. The 7th thing, the 7th thing that I don't do is I don't let my hair revert all the way back to its natural curl pattern. I used to do that all the time. I used to let my hair just revert back all the time because I love my natural curl pattern. I love the way it looks. It's very beautiful. I embrace the tight curly hair. Trust me. I embrace it. I love it. But I just noticed like it would be too tangled by the time I wanted to wash my hair. And I just realized like it didn't do my hair good to not stretch it out. So I no longer let my hair revert all the way back to its kinky texture. My hair is very coily, so it doesn't look like it, but that's because my hair is trained to go straight down. But yeah. So those are 7 things that I don't do. If you would like a part 2 of this video, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up untwisting his hair for y'all so y'all can see. So this is what it looks like all untwisted. Oh wait, I forgot one. One moment. One moment, please. Okay. So this is the end result. I don't like to separate my hair too much after the first day, like I said. I just let it do what it do. I let it fluff out on its own if it wants to fluff out. I don't force it. Yeah, I don't force it. If you guys like this video, please leave a comment down below because I do want to know you guys' thoughts on some of the things I talked about. What are your experiences with natural hair or with your hair in general, whether you're natural or not? Let me know. Let me know, okay? Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Deuces. Bye, y'all. So, what's up, my nana ladies and gents? Welcome to another video. Ay, I told you I was lit. Ay, I told you I won't quit. Ay, watch you make it sit.